Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the action button to turn on or turn off accessibility reduce motion shortcut on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, go down and tap on Action button. After that, you want to swipe across until you can find accessibility. Then tap on the drop down list. From here, go down and tap on reduce motion. Now this will allow you to reduce the motion of the user interface, including the parallax effect of icons. So tap on it to switch it on. Tap on it to select it. Now the shortcut has been assigned to the action button. If you want to turn it on, just simply press and hold on the action button. And you can see it will show in the dynamic island that you have switched it on, if you have switched it off. And that's it. So we can also check that by going into settings. So in here we go down to accessibility, and the settings will be somewhere in accessibility in here. So it is in motion, and then we go down and say reduce motion. So here you can see if I press and hold it, it will switch it off or it will switch it on. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.